Hi everyone, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the Galaxy DX-47HP. This is for Wayne in Pennsylvania. Alright, Wayne, I'm going to start with the power all the way down on AM. We'll take a look over here on this. Yep, 10 watt scale. Oh, I got the switch off on the bottom here. I guess we'll start real low power. Let me turn this down. We'll start real low power. We got 10 watts across the top scale there. I'm going to turn it all the way down. Okay. The switch is off. Feeding back here, okay. You see it's about a quarter of a watt. It's hardly anything at all. And if I turn it all the way up, it's a watt and a half, maybe 1.6. Peak power, the 50 watts. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. About that 20 mark right there. That's 20. Audio, check, check, check. Okay, now we can flip the switch up that's in the back here that we put in. And we'll take this out and put in a 150. And we'll take this guy and we'll start him off at 10. Turn the power all the way down in front of the radio. And all the way down is about 3 watts. And now I'll go up 2 scales to the 100 watt scale and bring the power all the way up to 30. 30 peaking on this 250 slug. Here's 150 right there. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. There you go. There's both low and the high power. I break channel 34 for a radio check.
You broke it.
Did I break it okay?
Yeah, no problem. Sounds fine.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a fine day.